Africa. Location, extent. Africa is the second largest continent in the world with an area of 30.30 million square kilometers. It occupies 1/5 of the land area of the earth. There are about 53 countries with few openings along the smooth coastline. Africa extends between the 37 degrees 30 north and 35 degrees south latitudes and 24 degrees west to 58 degrees east longitudes. The Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn also run through this continent. The Red Sea, the Gulf of Eden and the Indian Ocean are on the north. They separate Africa from Asia. The continent is bounded by the Atlantic Ocean on the west, the Mediterranean Sea in the north and the Southern Ocean in the south. The northern part of the continent is wide and is occupied by Sahara, the biggest desert of the world. The European explorers did not know much about Africa till 19th century. Hence, Africa was known as the Dark Continent. Physical features. Rivers. Africa can be broadly divided into 4 physical regions, namely 1. Mountains, 2. Plateaus, 3. Coastal plains, 4. Deserts. In the extreme northwest of Africa, we have block mountains and the folded mountains. In the states of Morocco, Riyadh, and Tunisia are close to the Mediterranean coast. Africa is mainly covered with high and vast plateaus. The plateau consists of very old rocks with a height above sea level varying from 300 to 2000 meters with sharp edges. The coastal plains are narrow at the edges of the plateau. The important rivers of Africa are the Nile, the Congo, the Niger, the Zambezi, the Limpopo and the Orange. The Nile is the longest river in the world. It rises at Lake Victoria. The famous Victoria Falls is on the river Zambezi. The Nile River flows through the Sahara Desert in Egypt. Hence, Egypt is called the gift of the Nile. The Sahara Desert in Africa is the biggest tropical desert in the world. The Kalahari Desert extends in Namibia, Botswana, and Angola on the southwest of Africa. Climate. Africa is a vast continent with a tropical climate. As the continent extends on either side of the equator, there is a variation in the climate. There are 4 types of climatic belts in Africa. The equatorial type of climate is found around the equator. We have Satanic type of climate either side of this belt with dry winters and little rainfall in summer. The tropical savanna type of climate is found in Senegal, Guinea, Mali, the Republic of Middle Africa. The rainfall is usually about 20 to 60 centimeters. The heaviest rainfall, over 150 centimeters, occur in the central part of the continent in the Congo Basin, Madagascar and also the Guinea coast in West Africa. Natural vegetation. Wild animals. The natural vegetation and wildlife is based on the climatic conditions of a particular area. Africa has a rich variety of plants and animals. Africa has very thick evergreen forests with broad leaves and hardwood in the central part of the equatorial region. Trees like ebony, mahogany, rosewood and rubber are found in these forests. The Mediterranean type of climate helps the growth of olive trees, oak, cork and fruits like figs, almonds and grapes in the north and south coast of Atlantic Ocean and along the coast of Indian Ocean. Animals like gorilla, chimpanzee, monkeys, hippopotamus, snakes and various kinds of insects like tsetse, which can even kill the animals, are found in the equatorial region. The forests have a hot, wet climate which is unsuitable. Malaria and yellow fever are the common diseases. Population, important cities. Africa has an area of 30 million kilometers approximately, with population of 1,885 millions in 2004. It is 13% of world's population. The average density of population in Africa is 65 persons per square kilometer. The density of population is more in deltas and narrow strip of plains. Here, the density is above 66.4 per square kilometer. Huge population can be found in certain mining areas. Very few people like nomadic tribes are found in Sahara Desert, Kalahari Desert, and in equatorial dense forest regions. The people of Africa are mainly Negroids and Caucasoids. Most of the population belong to Negroid sect like Zulu, Maasai, Meruba, Metabal, and Bushmen. The heat is unbearable in the Sahara Desert that covers the major part of North Africa and in Kalahari Desert. The rainfall is meager, water is scarce, and the cultivation of crops is not possible in these regions. Nigeria is the most populous country in Africa. It has over 16% of the total population of Africa. Southern Nigeria is swampy. Africa has about 20% of whites and 75% of native tribes of the total population. Important cities. The important cities in Africa are Cairo, Alexandria, Johannesburg, Pretoria, Kinshasa, Lagos, etc. Cairo is the capital of Egypt. It is the largest city in Africa. Lagos, the capital of Nigeria, is a port city. The other important city in Nigeria is Ibadan. Addis Ababa is the capital of Ethiopia. Tourist centers. The pyramids in Egypt are one of the ancient wonders of the world. They are the ancient tombs of Egyptian kings situated about 25 kilometers away from Cairo. Every pyramid has the structure of Sphinx in front of it. It is an idol with human head and lion's body, carved in a single stone. Victoria Waterfalls on River Zambezi is another tourist center. The waterfalls from the height of about 108 meters. Its width is about 1.7 kilometers. The Table Mountain in the center of the city is the special attraction here. Its surface is of the smooth sandy rock slab. Additional attractions are the grape gardens surrounding Cape Town and the cable cars. The Zanzibar Islands is a part of Tanzania. It is also known as the Island of Clothes. The unique attraction of Africa is National Safari, spread over South Africa, Botswana, Namibia, Malawi, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. Agriculture. Agriculture is the primary occupation since the Egyptian civilization. The Egyptian civilization was flourished in the Nile region. The people here made use of floodwater of the river Nile for growing wheat and barley. The cultivation of date palms, millets, and wheat is practiced near oases in Sahara. Hunting is the primary occupation of the people of Kalahari Desert. On the grasslands, the native African tribes practice shifting cultivation. It is also called zooming cultivation. They grow crops in small quantities by using the ancient equipments. They grow the crops like cassava, sorghum, millets, corn, wheat, tubers, beans, pumpkin, etc. In some parts of the developed countries, the commercial crops like groundnut and cotton are grown. Coffee is mainly exported to Europe and USA. The most important export item, sisal hemp, is produced in Tanzania. Fruits like oranges, grapes, figs, and almonds are produced in Algeria and Tunisia. Zanzibar is the leading producer of cloves in the world. It is known as the island of cloves. The other important crops are paddy, sugarcane, corn, and wheat. Corn is largely produced in Congo, Angola, Kenya, and Egypt. Date palms are produced in Cameroon and Nigeria. Coffee is produced in Ethiopia, Kenya, Zaire, Angola, and Sudan. Cocoa is an important product of Egypt, Sudan, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, and Republic of South Africa. Coconut products are produced in Ghana, Nigeria, and Mozambique. Cotton is produced in Egypt, Sudan, Nigeria, Ethiopia, Uganda, and Tanzania. Tobacco is an important crop in Tunisia, Algeria, Zimbabwe, Zambia, and Republic of South Africa. Rubber is produced most parts of West Africa along Guinea coast. Mineral industries. Mineral resources are very essential for the development of a country. The industries mostly depend upon the mineral resources. There are abundant and most valuable mineral resources in Africa. Mineral wealth. The important minerals found in Africa are manganese, copper, lead, zinc, petroleum, cobalt, platinum, uranium, silver, phosphate rock, sulfur, potash, salts, bauxite, etc. Gold is mined in Johannesburg in South Africa. Diamonds are mined at Kimberley in South Africa, Zaire, Angola, Tanzania. Iron ore is found in Ivory Coast, Liberia, and Nigeria. Manganese is found in South Africa, Angola, West Africa, and Tanzania. Copper and lead occur in Zambia and Zimbabwe. Petroleum is found in Angola, Nigeria, Libya, and Egypt. Platinum and uranium are found in South Africa and Zaire. Phosphate occur in Morocco and Egypt. Bauxite is found in coast of Guinea. Industries. Johannesburg has a gold refining industry. There are many industries in Pretoria like iron and steel industry, chemicals, cement, textiles, and fruit canning, etc. Cairo and Alexandria have sugar, cement, cigarettes, and oil refining industries. Algeria has refining of non-ferrous metals like lead, zinc, and copper. There are also petroleum refineries and cocoa, palm oil industries. Agriculture and animal rearing are the primary occupations of the people of Africa. The mineral production is largely controlled by the Europeans, and Africans are the workers. Transport, trade. Transport. The primary means of transport are railways, roadways, waterways, and airways. They are useful for exporting the raw materials, palm oil, wool, cotton, cocoa, coffee, metallic minerals to the nearby port cities. The countries like Algeria, Tunisia, Ivory Coast, etc. are well linked with France, Kenya, Uganda, Nigeria, Ghana, etc. have advanced transport links with Great Britain. The railway lines laid by the Europeans in the past for exporting the raw materials are the important railways at present.